Okay, the final Android UI component we will learn today is a card. Yes, so you actually may have noticed that most Android application, the recent one, uses card. Yeah, so card is the most used UI component on the current application. Yeah, it will look something like this. Yeah, this is a card, and if you see that card can actually have shadows. Yeah, underneath them. And so card acts like a container to group relevant information together, and it may have elevation attribute to specify the shadow. Yeah, it create the impression of a card that is like flying or elevate. Yeah, under or not under. Yeah, but over the layout. Yeah, something like this. A card can also given a corner radius. Yeah, let's wait until the GIF to the corner radius. Yeah. So you can create something like this. Yeah, instead of a fully rectangle card, we can create a curved or corner radius. Yeah, card must have layout inside itself. So we can set the elevation by setting the card elevation attribute. Yeah, by something like this, maybe 5 dp. The corner radius by the card corner radius attribute, maybe 10 dp. And card must have a container. We can use a layout. Yeah, our friend constraint layout over here. So as you can see here, yeah, inside the card view, we have a constraint layout. Then we can add another UI elements over the layout. Maybe you want to change the background color. You may do so. Background equals to something like this. Okay, now before we continue, yeah, before we try to implement card in our user interface or our application, let's create a new activity. Yeah, you have already created new activities, so I don't think I must tell you step by step. Yeah, but the name, please set the name to movie card and change the layout name to movie card. Yeah, not activity underscore movie underscore card. Yeah, why not just leave it to movie activity? There is a reason for this naming. Yeah, you will know it next week. Yeah, why we name it movie card and not movie activity. Yeah, so let's create a new activity, a new empty one. I will name this movie card, and for the layout name, I will remove the activity part. So the layout name is only movie card. Click finish, and then we will leave the movie card implementation or the class for now. Yeah, we are only interested in doing layout for our movie card. Yeah, because it is still grading, then it is a good idea for letting the Gradle finishes the project sync. Yeah. Okay, it finished already. That's fine. Let's see. Okay, we will need to add a new card here. It is on. Let's see, where is it? Yeah. It should be on the container card. Oh, this one. Yeah. It is a card view. Just drag and drop here. Yeah, and as you can see here, it does not have any height. Let's see. Let's just add the constraint first. Yeah. Up, left, and right. Up, left, and right. And then the width is match constraint. Let's see. Constraint to top, left, right with a space of 24 dp. Yeah, so the margin for top, left, and right is 24 dp. And then for the height is 300 dp. Okay, nice. The cut elevation is 5 dB. Cut elevation. Okay, this one 5 dB. Yeah, and you will see now our cut has a subtle shadow. Yeah, if you want, you can add more elevation, maybe like 10 dB. Yeah, to see that now the shadow is stronger. Yeah, let's just use 5 dB for the elevation, and the cut corner radius is 10. Okay, 10 dB. Cut background color, leave it to white. And then for the parent constraint layout, the background is E6, E6, E6 or gray. Okay, let's set background over here, and color E6, E6, E6. We don't have it. Okay, let's use this. Yeah, let's use this color picker, and let's provide the hexadecimal is E6, E6, E6. Yeah, something like this. Okay, I think we have done everything here. Layout width, okay. Height already. Constraint, yeah. Elevation, corner radius, background color, and parent background. Now, let's drag and drop a constraint layout to our card. Constraint layout. Enter here. Okay. Now for the card itself, yeah, we add image view, text view, two text views. Yeah, this one for the movie name, this one for the show date, this one is rating, and this is a button. Let's add it one by one, starting from the top. Yeah, we have an image view first. Image view. Let's just use sample data here. And then constraint to top, left, right. Okay, top, left, right. Height is 150. Width is mesh constraint. And then scale type center crop, ID is image foster. Scale type center crop, then the ID is image poster. Now, if you recall correctly, in our main activity, .xml, we have already named this one with image poster. Yeah, actually, it is fine to name two different UI elements or two different widget with the same name, but usually I don't recommend it. Yeah, because later when you call in your Kotlin code, yeah, you must be very careful about which one you want to actually call. Yeah, so usually I will use a different name. For this one, I will ID it image poster card. Okay, now for the card, image view is done. Let's add the text view over here. Constraint to top and left. Top and left. The margin is not specified. We will add it on our own, maybe 16. And then font family is Rubik medium. And text size is 24 SP, I think. Size, let's see. Yeah, 24 SP. 24 SP. And then Okay, the ID is text title. I think we have used the ID text title for. Oh, it's a title. Yeah. So in this case, I am free to use text title. Yeah. However, if you name your edit text as TXT title, then you may want to name this one a different ID. I will provide the text only for my reference movie name. Okay, and then for the second text view, yeah, for family Carla constraint blah blah blah. Let's just edit first. Here constraint the same. I don't think I will give it some space. Let me zoom in. Yeah, I guess I won't give it some margin. Then I will give only this one. Show date, and the font family is Carla. And voila. Okay, this text view is complete. Next, we have another text view at the right side. Yeah, I think it is aligned to the show date. Yeah. Okay. This one is to. Oh, sorry. This constraint to the right, and for the top, I will just connect it to the top of the show date. Yeah, so that both are aligned perfectly, at least at the top side. Again, 16 dp of margin. This one is rating text. Oh no, let me check first. Yeah, rating is the rating is provided as a redo button, so we are safe to use text rating. Text rating. Yeah, and then have I changed this to Carla? Font family? Oh, I haven't. Yeah, let's change it to font Carla. And text size is 14 sp bold. Okay, font, not font. Text size. Oh, sorry, I have not selected this one. This one. Text size is 14 sp. Oh, which is default. Okay, and then it is bolded. Then, text style change to bold true. Yeah. Oh, and I forgot to change the ID for this one to text show date. Let me check it first. Yeah, I can't remember if I have used text show date. This one is edit show date. Okay, nice. So I can change this safely to text show date. And last is a button here. Let's add a button. Constrain it to right and bottom. Okay, right, bottom. I'll give it 16 SP. Oh, sorry, not SP. 16 dp of margin, and font family also Carla. Font family Carla. Style is changed to material component button text button. Okay. Material component button text button. This one, yeah. Okay, and the text, let's change it to read more. Yeah, if you have a different color, Yeah, with the example on the slide, it's okay. Yeah, that's fine. Just leave it using this color. Yeah, it is a purple color, like yeah, like this one. Yeah, I will also leave my button to be purple instead of cyan. And the ID is button more. Okay, button more. Okay, so our layout is complete, I think. Now, if you have any bug in your Android Studio, yeah, I hope you don't find this, but sometimes when you change the card elevation or radius, the layout editor does not reflect the changes. You can try to force refresh the layout, which actually in my case, it works fine, but if in your Android Studio, your card does not show the shadow and the rounded corners, you may try to refresh your layout, your force refresh layout. Yeah, if your Android Studio still fails to do update the card, then just run your application. Yeah, hopefully you won't get this bug anymore. Okay, now I will give you some self exercise, yeah, which involves intent. Yeah, um, but I think first time, yeah, before we do the self exercise, let's try to take a look at our card in action, yeah, in our application. Okay, because this is a second activity, we must change the default activity first. I hope you remember how to change the default activity, yeah. Okay, something like this. Yeah, we will do this temporarily to actually test our card. Yeah, later when doing the self exercise, then please refer back this manifest. Yeah, the main activity should be the main activity, not the movie card. Yeah, we changed the default activity to movie card because we want to test our card in the emulator or the device. Yeah, let's wait until my Gradle finish building my application. Okay, so this is the example of the card in my application, yeah, in my Android emulator. I think I am happy with the result, yeah, although as a sample image, it's not shown here, but for everything else, I am happy with the result. Yeah, the read more button is working, not when you click, yeah, because we have not provided any listener here. Yeah, but this is the card in Android application. Yeah, I will revert the main activity to my first main activity. And while the Gradle is building, then I will explain the self exercise for you. Yeah, now remember in the main activity, yeah, you have add new movie button here. Yeah, when the user clicks the add new movie button, then please create an intent object to hold this data. Yeah, take the movie title, get the movie title, the show date, the URL for the poster. Yeah, this one, movie poster URL, and then the rating as well. Yeah, anything that is displayed or selected by the user here. Yeah, so for example, if I provide the title of, let's use the last week's movie, 2001 Space Odyssey. I can't remember the runtime. Yeah, maybe 310. Oh, 310 is actually 5 hours. Maybe 230. The show date, let's say it's on the 14th of September. And then the rating is, I don't actually know the rating of this movie. Yeah, I will select parental guidance. Yeah, and then it is showing on the. Okay, why is my keyboard showing this layout? Okay, yeah, that's a little bit weird. Yeah, but that's fine then. Okay, the genre is sci-fi and fantasy. Yeah, but as you can see here, you don't need the genre. But if you want, you can test yourself. Yeah, try to get the selected value of a spinner. Then for the movie poster URL, provide any picture. Yeah, any URL you can find. Then when uh, I click add new movie, yeah, yeah, I have an error, yeah, but nevertheless, if you click the add new movie button, then go to the card activity, yeah, and pass this data to the movie card. Yeah, if I can show you the layout, then the movie name should be displayed in here. The show date as well, rating, and the image view should display the correct image, yeah, from the URL. Okay, you can do this on your own, and if you have any difficulties for UBAYA students, please ask your lecturer. For everyone else, then you may ask me on the comment section below. Yeah. Okay, and this is one example of the result. Yeah, if I enter Space Odyssey 2001, the title name should be not this one. Yeah. Yeah, but nevertheless, yeah. If I enter Space Odyssey 2001 and the show date is 21 September 2020 with the rating is general and the URL is something like this, then display the same image, yeah, by using the specified URL and display the title of the movie over here, show date over here, and the rating over here. Yeah, this is what your application should look like when doing this self exercise. Yeah, please do it on your own, but don't be hesitant to ask me or your lecturer. And as always, for UBAYA students only, you have the 6-week CE. Yeah, please finish up to the self-exercise 5 from at the slide 39. Then please screenshot the code and layout for main activity and movie card. And then submit it to the Google Classroom as usual. Yeah, okay. In the meantime, yeah, please just ignore my application error. Yeah, I will try to solve it, yeah, later for the next week. Yeah, so I don't have any errors next week. And please finish this application as we will continue using it from next week. Yeah, for the next week's topic. Okay, then I think that's all for today. Yeah, so today we have learned about how to create and use datetime picker, and then we have tried to use a spinner providing data, yeah, an array of objects to our spinner, and also create a custom layout for our spinner. And lastly, we have created a card for our application, yeah, to group relevant information together. Yeah, so that's all for today. Thank you for joining with me until the very end of this series. Yeah, we will continue the series to the final part next week, to the 7th week. And please finish this project. Yeah, we will use it again in the 7th week. If you have any questions, as always, don't be hesitant, don't be shy. You can ask me in the Hangouts group chat for UBAYA students, or for everyone else, you can ask me in the comment section below. Okay, that's all for today. I'll see you again next week. Stay safe and stay healthy, everyone.